On the Sunday before Easter, many Christians celebrate Palm Sunday. Recalling the entrance of Jesus into Jerusalem, churches distribute palm leaves in remembrance of people who waved them and carpeted his path with them. One of the things you can do with these palm leaves is to fold them into crosses. These are great to give out as little gifts or hide as secret presents. Today I will tell you how to make a cross with palms in simple 14 steps. Number 1. Gently tear or snap off a palm blade off the palm stalk. Number 2. Hold the palm blade pointy side up. Number 3. Fold the blade to the right about halfway down to make a 90-degree angle. Number 4. Fold down once. Then, fold down again. You should now have a small square shape. Number 5. Push the pointy end around the back of the square and fold over. Number 6. Take the pointy end on the left, and loop it towards you without making any turns. Then pull the pointy end through the square until it comes out of the square. Pull through all the way. Number 7. Hold on to the square with one hand and tug on the fat and pointed ends to secure it. You should now have a locked 90-degree angle. Number 8. Take the pointy end and turning it towards yourself, push through the square. This is the head and base of the cross. Number 9. Turn 90 degrees to where the pointy end is facing downward and the fat end is facing to your right. Number 10. Flip it so that the fat end is now on your left. Number 11. Take the fat end and loop it away from you into the square. Pull it until it reaches about the same length as the head. Number 12. Turn it over to where the straight fat end faces left again. Number 13. Take the fat end and loop it towards you back into the square. Pull until it is about the same length as the other two parts. Be sure to tuck it inside the other loop so that you can't see it. You're done. Number 14. Finished. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to HowTube for more.